Of course. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue with air compressors, a leaky drain line. If you've noticed water dripping from yours, don't worry, it's a pretty easy fix. I'll walk you through the steps to get it sealed up tight, so stick around.
Close the ball valve. Disconnect the union fitting. I thought I would be relieving the tank pressure by opening the valve, but the solenoid valve is closed. I opened the electrical disconnect to the air compressor already.
I thought that should have bled the air out. I'll get an answer for that later. Alright, try this pressure relief valve. Now, they call this a coupling. I really wanted a bushing to be a little bit smaller, but it should work, 1/2 inch to 3/8. One thing I noticed, let's see. I don't see any evidence of any pipe dope or Teflon tape. I'm going to put some on there anyways. I know it's brass and it's soft and it should seal, but I'm going to go ahead and put some Teflon on. Not a bushing, that's a coupling. I need a male end like this. I'm trying to figure out what to do here. I need to go get the parts when I'm on a time crunch. And I got someone coming here and I gotta show them what to do with the spot. I'm trying to see how I just get a valve back on here. That's 1/2 inch. Actually, this. Let me see. Yeah, same thing. A 1/2 inch here. I got 3/8 pipe. I think I can use some of this. Yeah, I was picking parts yesterday. Supply house. And I'm getting bothered by the office interrupting me. And I didn't get the exact fitting that I needed. It's still my fault. Yeah, there's the rest of that bushing inside of there. So this is garbage. I have a new 1/2" ball valve. Right now, I do have a valve here, and that's going to be good enough. So this is 1/2". I should be able to go straight in. Unless I take this off. Yeah, let's take it off. Right, close this for now. No, it's never been exercised, and it's been here for 6 years.
I want to remove the solenoid coil temporarily to do a dry fit temporarily.
So annoying. Still might not be able to turn it. Yeah. Alright. They're temporary. Just so I close the system and get the air compressor back online. It's needed for sterilization processing department. There's some pneumatic doors, some washers and autoclaves. It's a hospital environment. Go ahead and put some Teflon on here. No, I don't have any stock rooms here with plumbing fittings or anything. Gonna have to wait. Be able to start the system back up. Yeah. And then I'll reschedule, come back in the early morning with the correct fitting and restore it the way it was. Right now I just got to get it back online. Let me see if this pressure relief valve is in. system back on. Alright, it's pressurizing. I check the leak. We're good for now.
Facility maintenance techs keep clinics and outpatient surgery centers running smoothly. They handle everything from fixing leaky faucets and changing light bulbs to repairing medical equipment and ensuring the HVAC system is working properly. They're also responsible for preventative maintenance to avoid bigger problems down the line. It's a pretty important job.
This air compressor is online 24 hours a day, every day, so there is 2 compressor motors that lead lag.
Okay, so the system's pressurized and back online. So I'll return another early morning before they open and get the actual 3/8 to 1/2 inch bushing. Evidently I grabbed coupling 3/8 to 1/2. That's not what I need. But no harm, no foul. The air compressor is back online and there won't be any downtime on an equipment. Just one of those things. You got a plan and if it goes wrong, you just got to reschedule and take care of it. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll make a part 2. Alright, I got the tank pressurized again. So they're fine in the sterilization department. I got a valve off here. All I gotta do is reconnect my drain. I put the solenoid timer back on. It should work just fine like that. I need a longer nipple now to connect my union. So I'm gonna pull this one out and just measure what I need. I don't know if that's probably a 2-inch nipple. I probably need like a 4-inch nipple. Scares the shit out of me when it starts up. Yeah, I need a 4-inch nipple. Put a 2-inch in there. That ain't so tight. can do with a little channel locks, or I'm going to need a pipe wrench. Most likely I'm going to need a pipe wrench. Well, never know till you try. Alright. I'm going to replace this nipple with a longer one. 4 inch. Go from a 2 inch to 4 inch, and then my drain should line up. And then I'll be done with this. I'll move on to the next thing. I'm at the Home Depot, so I need a 1/2 inch, 4 inch nipple brass. Just like that one there. Looking below. Let's make sure I get the right part this time. 1/2 inch MIP by 4 inch. That's it. Alright. Again, sorry about all that noise in the mechanical room. Really can't be helped. Thanks for watching.
Please remove your card. Choose your payment type. Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Alright, got my perk, got my receipt. I'm out of here. Way we haven't met. My name is Tom Novi, and I'm a facility maintenance tech for healthcare.
You made this far into the video, then go ahead and smash that like button and help me launch this channel. Tom will be appreciative.
Alright, so the drain pipe is reconnected. Go ahead and turn the stop valve back on and plug in the solenoid for our time blowdown. Okay, the valve is open, solenoid valve is closed. Go ahead and plug it back in. Heard it blow down and shut off. So that is it. No more leak. Again, my name is Tom Noby, and I appreciate you watching. I do have another video on this air compressor on my channel where I changed the belts on it. If you're interested, take a look at that one. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.